Hey, welcome back to our kitchen. It's been a while, sorry. We're gonna do some salmon tonight. Throat's a little dry. We're just gonna do. Usually I do it with the old way you guys used to see me do it. I was doing the port wine, lots of port sugar. But now that we got the diabetes and stuff, we don't do too much sugar anymore. But we're gonna. Sorry. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do lots of butter, which is probably bad, but anyway. And we're gonna do. There's our salmon right there.
Some garlic.
And we're gonna do some garlic. And we're going to go ahead and let that get up to like a simmer. And then we're going to drop it in there for like 5 minutes on each side. Alright, we're going to go ahead and dump a little bit of that minced garlic in there while we're heating up the butter. Forgot about that.
You don't like that much?
Yeah. We're playing this by ear because I haven't done this in a long time. So I'm doing this so you guys don't have to. And then I'm going to taste it for you guys. And I'm going to tell you how yummy it is. And you're going to be like, oh man, that guy's a big liar. No, it's going to be yummy. So we're just going to let that go ahead and saute down a little bit, and we will be back to you in a few. Alright, we're getting the garlic and the butter sauteed up there a little bit while we get everything heating up. So what I like to do is get this nice and sizzling before I put the
it's just got me sizzling.
calling it shrimp. That's not shrimp. I had shrimp the other night. It was so good. I haven't had shrimp in so long, but this is salmon. We're going to do a little bit of that, sauteing it up a little bit.
I wish you could smell this. It smells so good, you guys.
Yeah, garlic and butter. Right. I think I see sizzle. Do we see sizzle? Do you see sizzle?
Oh, yeah.
We got sizzle. All right, we got sizzle. All right. I don't know if we're going to brown the garlic. We're not going to brown it. We're just going to go ahead and sizzle. Get it nice and warm to where I like my darn, I can't say that word. I know I want to call it salmon. I want to call it shrimp.
It's salmon.
I'm going to call it shrimp.
Okay.
You call it salmon.
And so right now we're cooking it around medium high. Number 7 for us if you have like a number burner.
Yeah, one of those garlic, or one of those stoves or whatever.
Glass.
All
right,
so,
I'll throw in the fishy.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but everything's gotten smaller since the C word. Since that illness that was upon us. I used to get salmon steaks that were like wider than that. Now they're like little tiny skinny guys, man. I don't know what happened. Oh, look at that. It's going to be brown. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's getting so bubbly, dude.
Here we
Look
go.
at that. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to spoon a little bit of some of that on there.
Yep.
Luckily, we have an assistant here that can do that for us. And there she is. We'll just do a little bit of that on the top. This is going to be so good. I did, the other night we did a wine. It was just normal wine. It was not a port. It was just
Cabernet.
Cabernet. It wasn't that good. I didn't like it.
Red one.
But that's good. We shouldn't be using wine and stuff.
Nah, it's not good for us.
Anyway, butter probably bad too, but hey.
Better for you.
Butter's probably better for me since I have diabetes.
So we cover this for what, like 5 minutes?
Yeah, we're going to cook it for 5 minutes on the side.
And we don't have lids, you guys, so we do the next best thing.
Yes, we do the ghetto lid. Perfect.
No, not really.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Usually we make it a little bit bigger so it covers the whole pan.
Yeah.
We'll do that next time.
But that's awesome. All right, let's take a peek. It's been almost 4 minutes. And since normally I do a 5 on each side, but these are pretty skinny, pretty thin. I mean,
I feel like the garlic's burning.
It's been a while. We know the garlic is browning and burning.
Oh my
gosh. Okay. Let me go ahead and give that a flip. It's been 5, close to not 5 now. So push that over on the side. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Blackened salmon. I made blackened salmon. I made blackened salmon. I made blackened salmon.
All right, I'm covering it.
All right. All right, let's just take a peek.
Woo!
Oh, that looks yummy. Everything looks like it's blackened salmon. So we're
I think it's done.
I think it's done. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and call this done. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off for a sec. I got some leftover rice.
Brown rice.
That I'm gonna heat up a little bit.
And we'll show you when it's all plated.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead. Here's what it looks like, kind of sort of plated, almost done. But we're gonna take some of this stuff, some of this butter, garlic, put it on the rice. I don't know. I might be crazy. I think that's enough. We're just gonna go ahead and mix it in with the rice. But yeah, looks like squid ink. So basically, what I made tonight was some blackened shrimp. I want to keep calling it.
You keep calling
salmon.
it shrimp.
Blackened salmon.
Blackened salmon, folks. That's my final offer.
Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out here in a sec. I'll be right back. What do you think? Full enough taste to try?
That looks yum. Does it taste blackened?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah?
Tastes like butter.
No way.
Oh,
So
wow.
that's better than the wine.
Yeah, well, it's hard to say.
Oh, okay.
I think what it could use is lemon. Lots of lemon sauce right now.
Oh, okay. We need lemon next time I get this.
Oh my gosh, this is wonderful.
Ah, better than the restaurant.
So if you like lemon garlic, this is for you.
Right on.
And this ain't lemon garlic though. This is garlic.
It's blackened garlic and butter.
Garlic, man. My brain doesn't work so good anymore. Sorry.
Sorry, guys.
Thanks for stopping by our kitchen, and we'll see you next time.
Have a good day.